Hey, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. If you are not familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that is $21 a month, and typically you get 5 to 6 full-size items. So if you're interested to see what I've got, keep watching. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so full confession, I have watched several unboxing videos and I have seen spoilers for the February Boxycharm. So I have a very good idea of what is in the box. So this is what the box looks like. And on the inside, there is usually a card that tells you what the theme is. February's theme is Afterglow. And on the back of the card is the breakdown of all of the items in the box as well as their retail price. So let's see what is in here. Okay, first up, Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So the Farmacy Green Clean Balm is my holy grail cleanser. I use it every night. It removes all of my makeup, all of my mascara, and leaves my face super clean. I have also used the Clean Bloom, which I like, not as much as the balm, but I do like it. So I have very high hopes for this one. The cost of this is $22, and they say it soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. And it's good for those with sensitive skin. And it has natural ingredients like coconut sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. So all of those sound fabulous, and I look forward to trying that one out. Next up is the No Poreblem Primer by Touch in Sol. So I have already tried this. I received a small tube in another box and I loved it so much that it is on my Sephora wish list. However, I was trying to finish up what I already had. So this reminds me a lot of the Benefit Professional. It has that silicone-y feel, it's smooth, it blurs wrinkles and pores and leaves your skin so smooth. My liquid foundation looks fabulous over top and it never pills. So this is one that I really love and I'm so excited to have gotten this one in the box. This creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol No Poreblem Primer. And it has a soft velvet feel, it has green tea and collagen, act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And the cost of this is $18. I can attest to the fact that it definitely leaves a smooth foundation for your makeup and it does last the whole day. Next up in the box is from Pretty Vulgar. And I do have Pretty Vulgar products. I have an eyeshadow palette, a blush, and a lip gloss, and I enjoy using all of them. And this is the Shimmering Swan Highlighter. And let's see if I can get a good swatch of that. And it's definitely got a beautiful shimmer to it. It's a cooler tone highlight. And it's something that I like. I can use it every day. It's not too much and it just will give a subtle highlight. This one is $32 is the regular cost. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving light, reflecting, and pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. So I agree, I think I'm gonna really enjoy this one and I can't wait to use it. Then we have two more. So this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This is Megan's Holy Grail mascara. She uses it every day and I'm sure that this will be taken immediately. And that's the brush. This one doesn't work as well for me. I have a problem with brushes like this. The brush is too big for my eyelashes, or I just can't get it to work. So she'll be taking this one. And then last but not least in the box is the Trestique. Oh, sorry. The Too Faced Better Than Sex is $24. And then this is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. So this is a 2-in-1, and it did take me a minute to find the prime side, I'm embarrassed to say. But this is the primer portion. And then this is the lipstick portion. And it is very hydrating, although the color that comes off on your skin, on your lips, is pinker than what this shows. Here's a swatch of that one. And it's beautiful, and it feels great on your lips, leaves a nice glaze, and of course it has that really nice magnetic packaging that you get with Trestique. This one says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. So definitely feels great on the lips, and the primer is a really nice addition. So those were the 5 items in this month's Boxycharm. The cost of Boxycharm is $21, and I'm gonna say this total for this box is a little over $120, which is fabulous for a $21 box, and most definitely because everything in here is something that I love and will use. So if you got Boxycharm and you got something different, please leave me a comment below. If you got the same box, also let me know what you thought about the items that were in there. And if you like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.